Individuals who follow a plant-based diet account for 75% less in greenhouse gas emissions than those who eat more than 3.5 ounces of meat a day, and a vegan diet also results in significantly less harm to land, water, and biodiversity, according to new research from the University of Oxford. While the connection between animal farming and environmental damage is well documented, more premature breakdowns used scientific modeling to reach those findings. By contrast, in the United Kingdom, the Oxford investigation drew from the actual diets of 55,500 people, vegans, vegetarians, fish eaters, and meat eaters. It used data from some 38,000 farmsteads in 119 nations. The peer-reviewed study, led by Peter Scarborough, a professor of folk health at Oxford, was published on Thursday in the journal Nature Food. Globe Social Network, New York Bureau.